Here's some examples of how to use Keynote and iMovie this Halloween. The first activity we are going to do is decorating a pumpkin using Keynote. So you would do this in a very similar way to how we've done projects before, and you would choose a blank theme and just delete all the text boxes from that slide. Then you can go and insert a photograph or an image of a pumpkin. Now, I want to remove the background of this so that I am left with just the one pumpkin. This should do this fairly automatically. You can then use the blue dots to resize. I'm then going to use some basic shapes to decorate my pumpkin. Now, again, you could use drawing tools, you could use images, and also basic shapes for this. Resize them and place them where you would like them on the pumpkin. Once you've done this, for our next project, you're going to want to have all the images as a green colour. So you select the shapes and go to the paintbrush. Then you're going to select all the objects on the page because at the moment these are separate objects. You want to group these so that they are all one object and don't move individually. Once you've done that, you're going to save it, and we're going to move on to the iMovie part of this project. So when you start, you're going to create a movie, and I have recorded a video of some flames. You could do anything you want here. Then I'm going to add my pumpkin, but instead of adding it as a photograph, I'm going to press green screen. And as you can see, any green parts of my image are now flames. Next thing we're going to do is look at an animated witch on Keynote. So again, I've had a plain slide and I've just added an image of a witch. I've then made the background green. As you can see, the witch has still got a white background, so I've selected that and removed the background. Then I'm going to go to the animate section of Keynote and I'm going to add action and create a path. Then with my finger, I'm going to draw a path for the witch to follow. It will then automatically play, and if you're happy with this, you can press done. Then you can export this as a video. Now you're going to go back to iMovie. You're going to create a new project, and this time I'm going to add an image of the night sky. I'm then going to go back to my video of the witch, and instead of just inserting it as a video, I am going to press on the three dots and go to green screen. When this is inserted, it will then show anything green as my night sky image. So you could do this with lots of projects. There's some other things you might like to do, like using green clothing to display different images. You could also have learners holding up green card that could be like an X-ray. Remember to share at DigiLearnPKC.